Hi guys, so are you ready for a snack that's crunchy, spicy and absolutely packed with flavor? Today we are traveling to a culinary heart of India, Hyderabad, to bring you a true street food sensation, Gobi 65. Forget everything you thought you knew about cauliflower because we are about to transform it into a crispy, flavor-packed masterpiece. This isn't your average appetizer, it's a fiery, tangy and addictive dish that's a celebration of Hyderabadi spices and textures. Whether you are looking for a perfect party starter, a fantastic vegetarian main course, or just a delicious snack to satisfy your craving, this Gobi 65 recipe is guaranteed winner. It's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and completely coated in that iconic Gobi 65 masala. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take one cauliflower cut in florets. Then add warm water and rest it for 15 minutes. Then simply strain the water after 15 minutes. So I've strained the cauliflower florets. Then leave it aside. Then to make the batter for a cauliflower florets, in a bowl add 5 tablespoons corn flour, 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour or maida, 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, add some salt to taste, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon red food coloring, then slightly whisk it. Add just enough water to make a thick batter. Then whisk it until the batter is nice and smooth. So as you can see that the batter is nice and thick now. Make sure the consistency is something like this. It should be a nice coating consistency. Then simply add the cauliflower florets and give it a nice mix until the cauliflower florets get a nice coat. Then simply deep fry it until it is nice and crispy. Cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. So the cauliflower is perfectly cooked now. As you can see that it is nice and crispy. Then simply remove it in a separate plate. Let me show you how crispy these cauliflower florets are. Then in a hot pan, add oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 garlic cloves chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, and then fry it until the garlic is nice and light brown. Then add 35 to 40 curry leaves, 4 green chilies de-seeded, and then fry it for few seconds. Then add the cauliflower florets and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Let the garlic nicely cook with the cauliflower. Then add 1½ tablespoon red chili sauce, ½ teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves and then give it a nice mix. Then add a pinch of red food color, 3 tablespoon water, 1 teaspoon stock cube powder, and then give it a nice mix. And cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So the Hyderabadi Gobi 65 is ready. And there you have it guys, our incredible crispy and flavor packed Hyderabadi Gobi 65. Look at that vibrant color and the perfect crunch. This isn't just a snack, it's a celebration of both spices and a true testament of magic of Hyderabadi cuisine. This recipe is a guaranteed crowd pleaser and a fantastic way to impress your friends and family. I hope you will try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.